Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Sorry for the late starts. We are back live at it again. Here we are. Once again. Trading between the gaps. Here we go. Okay. Entirely unsure what's going on here. Come on, everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat. We're just getting started here. I mean, right off the rip, this is a little diabolical. You got a key area here, but you miss it by a couple ticks. We're in a trading range. First and foremost, what the ticks you're trading? Market cycle. We are in an absolute choppy market cycle. Trading range. Sitting on pause. Basically, I think you gotta wait till this breaks out. It's pretty much stuck in this little trading range here. Luis, good morning. Good morning, good morning. So I contacted Apex and they just said deal with your issues. All right, whatever. I had to revert my NinjaTrader back one version because it was so incredibly jacked up. I can't believe I'm not sure if other people have updated their NinjaTrader and not have yet seen these issues. But if you updated your NinjaTrader and are running it fine, then like the thing is like I can trade Tradeovate fine, like TPT accounts. I can trade them fine. Whoa! All right, big push up. I can trade them fine on the newest version, but Rhythmic I cannot. I'm not sure if it's just Apex Rhythmic accounts or all Rhythmic accounts, but I cannot trade them. This is diabolical. Super strong push up, but I mean, look how far it goes. Like, how do you say, like, when do you say, like, oh, this is not a breakout, this is a failed breakout? I mean, look how far it went. Sean Bull ending on time. Top of a trading range. That's the crux of the issue here. Hard to enter. Second entry long. Top of a trading range going short. Still top of a trading range going short. Okay. Two bull bars in a row. Not interested in going short anymore. I'm not interested in going long either because top of a trading range. So can't go long top of trading range. Can't go short to two bull bars. Let it go. Look how diabolical this is. Absolutely diabolical here. I think I gotta wait for a 5-minute orb. The first 5-minute candle right? Once you have a close outside of the first 5 minute candle, a close, that's the important thing. Then you have an orb, opening range breakout. And when it's choppy like this, it's good to wait for that to happen. Good morning, everybody. Band, band, bandits. I'm still trying to pass these Apex accounts. It's proving to be quite difficult. I passed a bunch of TPT accounts. I should have 10 past TPT accounts just sitting on them. And just waiting to pass these Apex accounts because this is my main focus. I've been trading TPT on the side, but having more success passing my TPT. The funny thing is TPT and Apex have the same goal. Ooh, okay. $9,000 on 150K accounts, but yeah, I don't know. Actually, what makes it difficult for the Apex accounts is the DLL. I wish they got rid of the DLL for the evals. The DLL makes it very difficult to actually pass in one trade at least. You have such small. You can only go like 10 points against you. The DLLs actually makes it very difficult to pass the evals for Apex. DLL is great for funded accounts, but for eval accounts, it is just it's very difficult. Another second entry long, but look how choppy it is. I mean, this looks bearish to me. 2 attempts to break out, failed. Yeah, it's pushing down a little bit. Now you got symmetry. You got breakouts, and then you got breakdown. I mean, multiple bear bars in a row. Looks quite bearish. Potentially fail second entry long here. Back to the bottom of the trading range. I don't like it. It's just too choppy to me. I feel like it's going to just stay in here within this trading range. It's very choppy, actually. Feels like entry long, good signal bar. It looks like it works out to get to the bottom trading range. Very nice. I was thinking about that was gonna happen, but at the same time, it just looks so choppy and kind of already made the symmetry. You know, I kind of already had the symmetry. You know, feeling like it can come back into its trading range. Ends up pushing down to the bottom of the trading range that I drew out here, like perfectly, like to the tick almost. Still, no orb. No 5-minute orb yet. Bottom of the trading range back to the top of the trading range. Incredible. Incredible move. Just one leg back up. Absolutely incredible. I mean, dare I? Shall I? Ooh. Whoa. Hello. Big bull bars. The hard part about trading range is that inside the trading range, the bull and bear legs are very strong. So it makes you feel like it's going to break out. It's very hard to trade opposite of this. This is why Albrook says don't trade trading ranges because you have low probability because look how strong the breakout looks. So in order for you to reverse this, you have to purposely enter a low probability trade. And the risk reward is not great either because you need to scalp. Like, look how strong this move up is, and it may just reverse back to the bottom. So it's hard to go short against a move that looks like this strong. I think it is, at least. Look at that. Incredible. Just straight up, straight down. And it's a scalp. People are scalping this. Golly, this is tough. So I'm just sitting my pause. How y'all doing? Drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. Good morning, everybody. Look at that. Straight up, straight down. Isn't that just diabolical? That's diabolical to me. Bob Sox, good morning. Josh, good morning. Knowledge Hub, good morning. Look at this is diabolical. Straight up, straight down. How crazy is this price action right now? This is why it's difficult. Like, how am I supposed to just reverse that? It's pretty difficult for me. Come back to reversing this is like buying right here if it hits the bottom of the trading range. People buying it, absolutely incredible. Is this just one of those days that literally you're going back and forth like ping ponging here? I mean, dare I? Dare I? Dare I? It did it once already. Let's see. Oh, I'm smoked. Like I said, like I just know I'm going short right here on the massive move up like this. It's like trying to go long on a massive move down, and here I am. Oh, this might work out. I don't know. Only one way to find out. You know what I mean? Only one way to find out here. Good news is, Pandas, like I no longer have these trading issues. Ooh. 315. I'll take it. I'll take a scalp. I'll take a $315 scalp. Sure. Sure. Why not? Look at that. Oh, it's coming back up to the top. That's sick. This is actually sick. Dare I? Should I just go short here? Dare I just go short up here? Dare I? Wow. I mean, should I just go short here? You have to be a madman, right? Or a mad panda to even attempt this. I mean, dare I? This is no way. There's just no way it's gonna keep on doing this. There's no way, right? There's just no way. I'm gonna say the range is up here because we got a couple hits up here. There's just no way. At the end, I jipped myself. I could have held that longer. That's incredible. Okay, it breaks this low. Interesting. It kind of reverses before hitting the top, I would say. It might break down here a little bit. I can't go long here because it missed the top. So now there is a bearish bias or some bearish pressure here. It missed the top here. So we have some reason to think this can push down. We have reason to think. Pandas, 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 pandas. Our rugby. Great luck today. When in doubt, sit on those diamond hands. Is that like an ancient proverb? The diamond cojones. I mean, I can't go in the lower high here, but I can see reasons to maybe look for a short trade. The market's proving to be quite choppy right now. Now it's like coiling up here. Lower lows, lower highs, higher lows. It's kind of creating this triangle. Let's see. Yep, absolutely. I'm crushing it. I'm crushing it. Actually, 315 is not bad. It's not bad. It's not the worst. I just think today's market cycle is just it's quite diabolical. Quite. I'm gonna try here, pandas. Don't hate me if I'm wrong. Just love me because I tried. You know what I mean? Don't hate me if I'm wrong. Just love me because I tried. Reverse it? Huh. I guess that was the most obvious thing that was gonna happen. I can't. You know, actually, I have no one to blame but myself. That was like the most obvious thing that was gonna happen. Bounce off the bottom of the triangle. We didn't even break out yet. I was hoping to get in the breakout a little early. Because I saw the OI pattern on the 5-minute chart forming right inside bar. But here we are. Jeez Louise, look at that. Gotta let the candle finish. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Now you push down, eh? I'll try. Thoughts and prayers. I get punished for trying to time the breakout. It just comes right back to the top of the trading range. In spectacular fashion, in fact. I think I need to stay away from this market. It's absolutely diabolical. You know what? Is it diabolical? It's really just going back and forth here. Dare I? I mean, I gotta try, right? One last try. One last try. Thoughts and prayers, again, needed. I should just be going short, yeah? I should just be going short. Am I just gonna get burned again here? I don't know if I really want to hold this beyond the break even. Everything retraces. Yeah, we're going back into the... I don't know. Okay. I don't really like this price action. I really don't like this price action. I will reverse it here. If it gives me a reversal, I will reverse it here. Alright, fair enough. I'll take it. 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 There it is. Easy peasy. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Golly, I took my profits almost perfectly. It's incredible. Huh. Forgiveness is divine, but never pay full price for pizza. Michelangelo. That little TMNT. It's true. If you ever buy Domino's without a coupon, you're spending like $50 on a pizza. But the coupon makes it like $12. Like the richest person in the world Like, I know you're rich if you don't use coupons at Domino's. That's how I know you're rich. My goodness. If you don't use coupons at Domino's, you're at another. You're in another economic demographic, socioeconomic demographic than me for sure. I always had a litmus test for people to see if they were poor growing up. I would always ask, "What's your favorite cartoon?" And all the poor people, their answer is always the same. Every poor person's favorite cartoon was Arthur. Why? Because it was on public television. All you needed was an antenna. You just needed a hanger attached to your TV and you can watch Arthur. But those who said their favorite cartoon was Rugrats, Doug, anything on Nickelodeon, that you knew they had cable. So you knew that they were a little bit privileged. They had it easy growing up. But anyone who says their favorite cartoon is Arthur, you better watch out. They have some character. They've been through a lot. Beast. Yo, Beast Wars? I would wake up early just to watch Beast Wars. I don't even know what the show was about. I just loved when they like transformed. I don't know even if the show had a plot. My favorite beast was the cheetah. Was it Cheetor? Is that I think that's the name, Cheetor. I could be wrong. I could be completely making that up, but my favorite beast in Beast Wars was Cheetah, the cheetah one. Darkwing Duck and Tailspin. I thought those were kind of boring. I mean, I get it. I get it. Darkwing Duck, pretty fun. But to me, I think that's like Disney, isn't it? Mighty Max. Gargoyles. Yo, Gargoyles was so good. Like the Batman series too, so good. And then you had shows like Wildcats, those who went deep into the comic, the original X-Men series, crazy, crazy. The original X-Men series is crazy. They don't make them like that anymore. Bill Seven, good morning. Batman Beyond, was that when he like Batman Beyond? Yeah, I like Batman Beyond, but I like the original one more than the Batman Beyond. Batman Beyond was like a little like too technological Batman. I like Batman when he literally was. It was pure human, like the peak human performance, both intelligence and strength. But Mighty Max, so fun. I love Mighty Max. Mighty Max. I don't know if you watched it, but the series finale was the ultimate like troll. The series finale was the ultimate troll. Feels like it's just short here. This could lift off. Sure, why not? Not that interested in this trade, but it could lift off here. That was another bull. Oh, that's another bull bar. I was thinking if there's another bull bar, I'll buy it, but I wanted the bull bar that closes above the high. You gotta trade it like it is, you know? You gotta trade it like it is. Huh. First entry. 3 bear bars in a row, though. Doesn't come off as support. Is this first entry strong enough to make a new high? I guess we'll find out. Okay. Second entry long. What? The risk is now big. Like, I wanted to try here to see that was a failed reversal attempt, and this is going to push up higher. I wanted to try, but the fact that it has follow through now, I'm no longer interested. Take a small hit there. All right. Well. Oh. We'll try. Small risk, potential good reward here. Yeah, everything retraces, darn. It's all good. I got a little scalp there. I could have been happy with it, but I didn't want to see this reverse. If it reversed, it could be a really strong push up. And that's a bull bar, right? No follow through. It's tough. Letting it go, it's fine. Letting it go, it's fine. If it does push down, it is what it is. I've deemed this not worth it. You know what I mean, pandas? I've deemed this not worth. We're going to go a little heavy here. We're going to go a little heavy here. 5 minute. Fail second entry short. Fill the gap here. I'm certainly looking to make some bamboo here. Let's try. Let the candle finish. You gotta let the candle finish. You gotta let the candle finish, pandas. Oh, you gotta let the candle finish. Like I said, you gotta let it finish. You gotta let the candle finish, pandas. Oh. 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 Gotta let the candle finish, pandas. Trading 101. Gotta let the candle finish. Oh my goodness. That's wild. That's why you gotta let the candle finish, pandas, because anything can happen. That is just crazy. My goodness. That's just wild. Are we in the trade now? Alright, we're in. That's absolutely diabolical, no? Is that not diabolical, pandas? Is that not diabolical? Golly. We could potentially bust our accounts here. I'm certainly taking the risk for it. Hold. Hold. That's certainly not the reaction you want the moment you enter a trade. It just wham, reverse on you. That's certainly not the reaction you want. I mean, am I gonna hold this entire risk here? Is it even worth it? Like, should I extend my risk? I don't think so. It's already big enough risk. I'll let the candle finish, I guess. I'll let the 5-minute candle finish and see what happens. I only see this 5-minute candle finish, and then we'll hold on to the 5-minute candle. I'll probably get stopped out before then, though. Counts about to get busted. Yeah, counts are busted. I believe all the counts are busted. No, some accounts are still there, but more or less busted. Darn. Fill the gap. Failed second entry short. Good signal bar. That was worth a try. Obviously, doesn't work out. So, what can you do? You know, it is what it is. What can you do? Oh, you can see on the top left which ones are busted and which ones are done. When it says done, that means you hit your daily. When it says admin, it says it's basically it's busted. It's just crazy. I mean, what can you do? I couldn't hold the threshold, right? Like, now it pops up. Whoa, 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 whoa. I couldn't hold the threshold. I wanted the candle to finish. I wanted the candle to finish. It ends up breaking below anyway, so it doesn't matter. This is diabolical. I don't know. The bear bar here. One of these bars are gonna be a give up bar. This might be the give up bar here. Come on, give me my order. I think this is the give up bar. The candle finish, let the candle finish. There it is. Alright, right. Break even? Takes me out break even. Perfectly break even on that trade. It took me a perfectly break even on that trade. Wow. So sick. I gotta try. I'm gonna try here. Bull bar after bull bar after bull bar though. Difficult at this point. I mean, this is I cannot go short against that. That's insane. Look at this signal bar. That's your signal bar. Comes off the key area. Double key area, actually. I'm gonna need a lower high. This signal bar is too bad. I can't enter the signal bar. It's a strong bull bar on time. I can't go on that signal bar. Some people have already, obviously, but I cannot. And obviously, it's going down. But this is your signal bar. Just I can't go short against this bar. It is what it is. We have okay follow through. If I had a lower, like I said, if I had a lower high, maybe I can enter, but I need a lower high first. Bad signal bar means potential trading range. I mean, obviously it's going down, so there's not much I can do about it. I wanted a lower high, but that's crazy. Like I can't go against the signal. This signal bar is too bad. It's too horrendous. That's wild. That's some wild price action. Woo-wee. This is a new set. Let's see. All right. New set. Lower high does work out. Well, it touches my target. It basically touches my target in a way I could not enter one time. Bad signal bar. Does hit double key areas, a bad signal bar, and pretty big risk. You're talking about 23 points of risk, a bad signal bar. Can't go short there. It's fine. I mean, I'm skipping trades like that, but we finally hit the area I thought we were gonna hit way over here, which I lost my first trade on. It's really crazy. That's a really crazy price action right there. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. Maybe this market's making a statement. Maybe this market's telling us what direction it wants to go for a little bit at least. It's looking bearish. Slicing through key areas right now. The first entries here. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Two strong bear bars. Another first entry here. I mean, I guess I could try, but doji bar. We're gonna try to get a little scalpy do here. Going for a scalp, 1-to-1, more or less. If it doesn't give it to me, it doesn't give it to me. I'm fine with it. I just thought we had such strong momentum, multiple bear bars. It's obviously a strong breakout pattern. This is like obviously strong breakout. So we're gonna try to trade it like a breakout, and we get hit on the first entry. First time we enter on our first entry, we lose. Of course, that's why I don't take them. But when I don't take them, they work out. So that's just the law of the market. Right, first entry works out. First entry works out. First entry doesn't work out. Right, that failing makes me feel like we're gonna come back to the previous week's close, wherever the closest magnet is. Right, that failed. So, is there any more reason for me to go short here? Is there any reason for me to go short here anymore? Like on the 2500 tick chart, when you get bear bars ending on their low and they get folded like this with a big bull bar, It's very hard to continue to trend down. When you get folded like that, it just means trading range. It's starting to develop here. Second just short, I could try. Maybe. All right, we got the double key areas here as well. Good signal bar, maybe. I could try. This makes me want to go long. Like I said, when you have a bear bar that ends on a low and it gets folded like this, it's hard to keep going short. Second to short. Could almost care less. It's it triggers above the 20 MA. It's hard to really go long. I'm going long anyway. I'll go long anyways. Let's try. This wants to play games with us. I too can play the game. I don't like that I broke this low. I don't like that I broke this low. You have to be a madman to try this, no? You'd have to be somewhat of a madman to try this. Oh, jeez. Jeez, pandas. Disgusting. Disgusting. Get two strong bear bars in a row, ending on their lows, and just gets folded like that. It's crazy. I don't know, pandas. This is just tough. It takes me out break even. It actually doesn't take me out break even. It misses my break even, but it takes me out anyways. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love that rhythmic. I love that. I actually love that push back up. I don't like that signal bar though. I'll try. I don't love it, pandas, but I'm gonna try anyways. It's big risk as well, but multiple confirmations to go short here now on this trend line. So we're gonna try. If it breaks above here, I don't think I want to see what happens. If it goes above this, I don't know. I don't really want to see what happens. I have to try here. I have to try this, pandas. Like, I feel like I gotta try this. I have to try here. If it takes me out, it takes me out. But I had to try here. All right, I'm gonna hit. But you know, I mean, I had to try. That was only one contract. I had to try. I had to try, pandas. Like lower high. If it had that fail second entry short here or fail second entry long here, that would be the coup de grace. You know what I mean? That would be the coup de grace. I would definitely need to go short, looking for that new low. That would be the coup de grace. I was watching Al Brooks. He said scalping uses 5 EMA. What are your thoughts? On the 5 minute chart, yeah. Or he uses like on the 1 minute chart, 2 minute chart. I'm not sure. Nah, I just keep the 20 EMA. Too much. You should fade scalp. You know, fading scalps makes a lot of sense. That's what all these people are doing, right? So this is a scalp. They fade it and they went long here and they got bamboo. Scalp here, they fade it and they made bamboo. So fading scalps is a strategy for sure. Oscar says you should do it with volume profile. Yeah. Going in and out of the previous week's close. I mean, it's just what it is right now. Not sure what's happening here. I was thinking about it. I sure did think about it for a second just to enter long here. It feels like enter short. Right, this magenta box. I hesitated. I hesitated. I was a little scared because the 2500 tick chart was like right at the 20 EMA. I thought it would possibly make a second entry short here. I really thought about taking that trade. Beautiful trade, 40 points too. Man. You know that's diabolical when you get the fail second just short and you miss the gap fill here. And it just reverses on you like that. This, you know it's diabolical. You know it's gonna be diabolical. Yeah, I don't know what's happening here. It's just going sideways. Mm. I had the coup de grace waiting for me right here. Didn't work out though. Um, And I held this trade because we didn't make the one-to-one, so I just didn't feel like I need to scalp. We did make a one-to-one on this trade. I should have just taken out the one-to-one, I guess. But it was two strong bear bars in a row. I thought potentially we had more room to go down. Fail second entry long. I'll take it here. No entry for me. I wanted to fail second entry long here to enter this, but didn't get it. Maybe get it here. Still no joy. Still no joy on the setup. We don't get a setup here. I think eventually I'll just have to go short. Eventually I'll just have to go short here. The bear bar. I think eventually I just have to go short, yeah. Okay. I do get my setup. Let's try. Weird. Okay. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Now I'm like shook. I can't trade. I can't trade. This might be an easy long. I missed it. Sick. Sick, sick, sick. Maybe a higher low, I'll be interested, but sick. Sick. Everything retraces in this market. Everything retraces. There's no way this goes without retracing. There's no way this goes without retracing, right? Everything retraces. Everything retraces unless you want it to retrace. What in tarnation is going on? No retracement. Cool. Didn't really get the retracement. It's just blasting off now. I don't know, Panda. This is tough. Can't get in the trade. Can't get out of the trade. Takes you out of the trade. And you want to stay in the trade. Sorry, it's all over the place. Two bull bars in a row. It should retrace. Two bull bars never have followed through in these markets. Always retraces. Trace at least back to here. It's an uptrend. I can't get in. I'm trapped out. It doesn't reach. It's not retracing. Everything else has retraced in the past, but this is not retracing. Like again, like this second entry long here, it's a terrible signal bar beneath the 20 MA. It blasts. Oh, it's hard to enter there. It really is. I don't know. This market's tough. No entries. Retracing a little bit now. Not by much. Okay. There's a retracement. Huh. Very cool. This is This is crazy. Ah. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what's happening here. I don't know how to trade this. Like on the 5 minute chart, we're in the land between gaps. We have a gap up here that we missed with the trap. Gap down here. This is insane. I don't know. Making a triangle here. Conventionally, people will say this. Oh, actually, this is like. Okay. Okay. Don't know. Don't know what this is trying to do. Alright, I made my decision. Thoughts and prayers. Don't make me reverse this right away. Hold. Hold. Huh. I gotta let it cook. think I have to let this cook a little bit, pandas. Darn it. I lost. I'm pretty sure I lost. Okay. I'm pretty sure I lost. Yeah, I lost. Dang it. Let it cook! Pandas! Let it cook! Golly. Is that all it was? Test of the previous week's close? Give me more. Golly, that's it. Pandas, I cannot make bamboo. That's all it was. This is such a strong push. I always look for second legs, but I don't ever get my second legs. Oh, I'm out. I'm out, break even. Oh. Oh! No! Come on! What? I am still in this trade. It's not over till it's over, pandas. Break the low. Come on. Pandas! It's not over till it's over! It's not over till it's over! Why must I be such an idiot? Why must I always be such an idiot? What is going on? Why must I be such an idiot? Why must I be such an idiot? Why did I scale in? No! Why did I scale in? I always scale in the worst places. Ah! I always scale in. It always takes me out break even. Oh, every time I scale in, it takes me out break even. What do I expect on a day like today? Why do I do it? I always scale up. I always scale up. Always scale up. I scaled up right here, and this wham takes me out break even. All right. I mean, at the end, I'll probably have came out break even anyways with this push up, regardless. It's just untradeable. I don't know why. I just don't take my 1-to-1s, my 1-to-2s, man. I gotta take my 1-to-2s. I think. That's the name of the game. Just take your 1-to-2s. Rule on the market: take your 1-to-2s when you have them. You know what I mean, pandas? Take your 1-to-2s when you got them. Golly. Every time. I can never, ever get a swing trade going on. But on today's market, why did I even try? I mean, that's 100% on me. Golly. I really thought we had a move. I really thought we had something special there. I thought we were going to try and make a new low. That was my aim. We had this bear flag building up for a while. So I thought if we broke it, it would really push, but it did not. Golly, it is what it is. Whew, I couldn't push. I mean, now you got this massive bull bar here. You're thinking reversal at this point, trading range. What can you do? I think I'm done for today, pandas. Like, this is tortures. Absolutely torture to watch this go on. Oh! regardless, I would have came out break even on this trade. I don't think I would have let it go right here. Had like 1,000 on that trade as well. Jeez, just everything's retracing. Cannot. I just leave so much money on the table. I always leave so much money on the table because I always try to scale in. On a day like today, it's 100% not advised to do. I should have just scalped. I should have scalped everything today. What am I doing with my life? I kind of want to go long. To me, that was the market's chance to push, and we didn't do it. I kind of want to go long now. My last trade of the stream feels like I just short if I get one in this area. Oh, so annoying. Yeah, you know the trade's bad when you can't even come up break even. Yeah, we lost. Counts are busted here, pretty sure. Yeah. Counts are busted here. Yep. Bye-bye. Might as well hold. Counts are gonna get busted anyways. Jeez, pandas. What a day. Too tough for me. Too incredibly tough for me. Might as well hold. It's gonna get busted. Either bust or might as well hold to see if we can make some bamboo here. I can't even come out break even. Look at that.
Target filled.
Alright, I'm out break even. That's the first time ever it takes me out break even favorably. Yeah, I actually didn't touch it, but I got filled up here, which is kind of crazy. I've never seen slippage like that. I'm telling you, the fills on the prop firms are nuts. That's crazy that I got filled up here. Market didn't even get up there, but I'll take it. It was favorable for me. I've never seen that. I mean, 99.999% of the time it's unfavorable for me, but this time is the first time I've ever seen it like favorable for me. That slippage that the prop firms give you. AJ, you busted your accounts, NTH. Yeah, I mean, it's crazy. Like, the newest version of NinjaTrader, it is not usable with Rhythmic with Apex. It's just not usable. It's not usable. It is completely incompatible. I don't know if everyone's upgraded and if you guys are facing the same issues, but goodness gracious, it's I had literally had to revert back. This is NinjaTrader like version whatever 7 point whatever. I don't know what the newest one. Oh, it's 6 point something. Yeah, whatever the one before the newest one is. Now we go up. Cool. Now we go up. Cool. That's where I wanted to get to, but obviously it wanted a retracement before doing that. Stupid. This is not a tradable day. I don't know why I'm even trying. At this point, like my counts are so low, right? I get busted at 146,000, so I only have like $700 left of threshold on these accounts. And so I'm just like trading. I'm just see if I can try to find something. But today's just not a good day to try this. But I'm pretty much sick and tired of it. Hard markets are hard. You should really only be trading easy markets. Lots of EV. This is not one of them. Top of the training range back to the bottom of the training range. Golly. I mean, dare I even try? Like this has to be one of the scariest things to do. Limit order right here. I do not feel comfortable doing this. Oh. Untradeable market. I don't know. Amazing, we're still within the first 5-minute candles range. Every close has been within it except 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. 5 bars. It's not pushing down. Does it mean much? I do not know. This has been a strong support for a while now. Wow. Pushing down. Pushing down with the quickness. Again, closing above here. Um, this is silly. No, no, nothing's breaking up. It's gonna look like it's gonna break out, but it's not actually breaking out. Lower high here. I mean, second entry shorts bare minimum for me to go short. It looks like it's gonna break out, but it's not breaking out. That's what today's market's gonna be. Every breakout, it's just gonna look like it's gonna break out. It just never actually breaks out. I need to find one trade worth busting my accounts for. That's what I'm looking for at this point. Is there a trade worth busting my accounts for? That's what I want to know. Bare minimum, I need second entry short. I mean, this is so many retracements. It's most likely gonna create one. I mean, it looks very bearish, but the 5 minute just fails to close beneath the previous week's close. I think that's strong support. But these two bear bars in a row now. Ooh, look at that. That's, yep. It's more diabolicalness. Nothing breaks out here. We're not breaking out today. Maybe tomorrow. All right. We will try. Everything retraces, pandas. Like, yeah, yes, everything's retracing. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. For funsies. This one's for the funsies. Good signal bar. Whoa! The flag. Okay, so I got you short. That's what I'm looking for now. All right. This is the trade, pandas. I'm going to risk these accounts on this trade right here. Thoughts and prayers. Such a bad signal bar. Very bad signal bar. I'll try. Okay, bye-bye. No longer interested in that. No longer interested in that guy. That girl will say. The good signal bar here. I feel like this is bullish almost. Yeah. This has a lot of like limit order buys, limit order bulls here waiting. Just popping this up again and again. This This looks wild though. It looks a little bit crazy. You let it go, but it just is kind of crazy. You let it go, but it's just crazy. You let it go, it's just crazy. You let it go, but it's just crazy. Woo! Look at this move. That's why you let it go. Everything retraces. This is strong enough to really push. I mean, we're just back to the top of the trading range. Just absolutely insane-o mode. I'm gonna try. Let's do a little pushy push here. Let's try a little pushy push here. A little momentum play, a little pushy push. Okay, enter the trade in a way I did not want it to enter. Enter the trade in a way I did not want it to enter. Just pure momentum play here. Because this move is so strong, you can actually break out of this trading range. And looks like I'm bamboozled.
Target filled.
Yeah, I didn't like my entry. I didn't like the follow through either, right when I entered. Second entry long, maybe worth. I mean, is the range that obvious? Should I just be going short here? 100%? Should I just be going short here 100%? Is it that easy? Is it that obvious today? You always feel like you might find the exception. Set my pause before we go long here. It's a second entry long, but it's just wild. It's just right at a resistance. Like the 5-minute chart, the 20 EMA is acting as a super resistance. The previous week's close is acting as a super support. So we're just like ping-ponging right now between these two, like really hard. Like this was crazy move up, in my opinion. Golly. Not feeling warm and fuzzy going long there. Not after that reversal. No siree. That's why days like this are hard, because this looks like, oh, easy long. Let me get in a long trade. And it just gets stopped. Turns on a dime here. It's absolutely rude and wild. I think on the 5-minute chart, you need 2 bull bars above the 20 EMA to really start going long here. Otherwise, it's just purely diabolical. I mean, this is completely sideways. Just stay away from it. I know it's tempting to go long here, but it's just so sideways. It's building up either to push up or to reverse here. And 50-50, right? You're at resistance, but you're coming from an uptrend. So it's like, it's 50-50. Second entry long. Tempting for me to go long there, but it's just really hard to time, and also just don't know. It's tempting for me to go long there. Looking for the breakout. Looking to get early in the breakout. I want to see a close above the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart first. Some evidence that we can actually get above here. If we can't even do that, then I don't know if I'm interested in going long yet. Okay, we got a bull bar above the 20 EMA on the 5-minute. Can we get followed through is a question. Like I said, it's tempting. Very tempting to go long here. Still tempting to go long. Another push up to get there. Full bar ending on its high. Still tempting to go long. Still tempted to go long here. Golly, look at that. I mean, your long trade is still good. You're above the 20 May. It just looks horrible. Very difficult to time the breakout. If it even breaks out, who knows? You just don't know right now. Jeez Louise. This is diabolical. You're like 1,000% sure you're going to lose this long if you went long here. Thinking it's going to break this low. You're like 1,000% sure at this point. After seeing that, these two bear bars in a row. What could happen is we might get a sweep to the downside and then it push back up. Still pretty diabolical. Still very choppy. There we go. All right. We're showing some sign that this might break out soon. Five-minute chart. I want to see two bull bars above the 20 MA. We haven't had it. Well, we had it here, and I thought we're gonna Fill this gap, but we didn't get there. All right, pandas. It's time. It's about that time. Let's get ready. Get your engines ready. Get your orders ready. Get them warmed up. Get it ready. Let's get ready to lose our money. Is a high or low worth it here? Is a high or low worth it here? Okay. That's not good. That's not good if you're a bull. That's not good at all if you're a bull. That's the worst thing in the world if you're a bull. What? The 5 minute, I want 2 bull bars in a row here on the 5 minute chart above the 20 MA. And we can't even print a bull bar or print a bear bar. It's kaputs. Bye-bye. I might as well go short here. That's a failed breakout. That's a failed attempt to push up, in my opinion. Oh, might as well go short. I think I'm looking for a short trade. I think I'm looking for a short trade now. Fail second entry long would be my only setup. Fail second entry long. And I am a seller here. This had its chance. Pandas, this is untradeable. Just look at this. I can't trade it. This is diabolical. Yuck. High or low? Does it mean anything? I don't know. It's just so chopped. Mm. Like, can't go short, can't go long. What am I looking at? Why am I still here, pandas? I'm just trying to burn these accounts. I can't even find a trade worth taking for the last hour or so. No, this is painful to watch. 5 minute. Trying to print another bull bar above the 20 minute, but it is just struggling. Yeah, eventually this was going to happen. Eventually this was going to push down. It was just very hard to time. I'm trying. I'm trying here, pandas. I'm trying here, pandas. I'm really trying here.
Target
Just
failed.
give it to me. Pandas. Woo! Finally, entered a trade I thought was worth taking. It's a 5 minute OI pattern. It's an inside bar. Went short. It just could not break above this trading range. We tried multiple attempts, and finally, when there was an entry to go short, I tried to enter on the 5 minute chart. It feels like entry short. Or sorry, not feels like it's just an inside bar. Made a little more than 1-to-1 on that trade. And I mean, Panda's like, how long did I wait for? Just for anything. I finally got something worth taking. Made some decent bamboo. How much did we make on that? 30 points. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. We'll call it a day. It's 11:30. It's just, and it's not even worth trading for the rest of the day. I feel like I don't know if it's even worth trading for the rest of the day. That's what I feel like. It's just absolutely just rotten, this price action. So, Pandas, hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Tomorrow's Friday and Monday's Memorial Day. So I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream and have an amazing weekend, everyone. Don't forget to use code BBM for 90% off Apex. Hope you guys enjoy. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.